Tired of making messes while you cook? And what about all that smoke and those unpleasant odors? Would you like to prepare nutritious, well-cooked meals without spending a lot of time in the kitchen and having to clean a lot of pots and pans? Now, Causeway brings you the revolutionary Flip and Cook. The Flip and Cook's unique features allow you to easily make delicious and time-saving dishes, perfect for your busy lifestyle.
The Flip and Cook is the best solution for speedy and flavorful cooking. Why spend money on unhealthy fast food when you can make a satisfying and nutritious meal for you and your entire family in just minutes? The Flip and Cook secret lies in its radiant heat circulation technology with perfect heat retention and distribution. The Flip and Cook also has a special coating utilizing FIR, which allows it to make hearty dishes while locking in all the natural flavor and nutrients. This is such a difference when compared to conventional pans. Watch how easy it is to make a delicious omelet. The Flip and Cook omelet comes out perfect, while one cooked in the conventional pan just breaks apart. Who wants to eat that?
With the Flip and Cook's unique cooking system, you can quickly make fabulous recipes like crispy battered fish fillets, moist and tender crab cakes, healthy stir-fry vegetables, even fried rice. Look at this thick, juicy burger. Top it with a slice of red onion, lettuce, and tomato for a satisfying dinner your whole family will love. Don't give your loved ones cold cereal or sugary donuts for breakfast. Surprise them with perfectly toasted hash browns and this easy French toast.
Okay, let's talk about how easy it is to use the Flip and Cook. We're going to make a restaurant-quality steak dinner right before your eyes. Just add your ingredients, give the handle a gentle squeeze, and place on your stove. Flip after a few minutes to quickly and evenly cook the other side. When it's done, just open the lid and serve. It can't get any easier to enjoy a fantastic home-cooked meal in minutes. It looks and smells delicious. And tastes even better. The durable non-stick cooking surface of the Flip and Cook on triple ceramic layers makes it a breeze to clean. Just wipe with a damp cloth and you're done. Simple, quick, and convenient. The silicone gasket, combined with the patented one-touch dual pressure retention lock technology, resists high heat and forms a tight seal. This turns the Flip and Cook into a pressure cooker, maintaining all the nutrition and great taste while cooking food quickly. Extra strong 4,000 Gauss magnets require only a gentle squeeze to safely and securely keep your Flip and Cook sealed. Your meals are healthier with the Flip and Cook because excess grease is captured by the scientifically engineered grease tray.
So put away those messy pots and pans cluttering your kitchen. Get the Flip and Cook, an indispensable kitchen appliance that will save you time in the kitchen